That will be an important aspect.
Coach, obviously you had a stuttering start to the season. So in light of that, how important was a win like a statement win like that you had a couple of nights ago, and a quick update on MS? Also, any update on possible replacement for Ayush Matre in terms of a batter there?
Yeah, we were probably more disappointed with the Sunrisers game. So the response to that with the performance in Mumbai was really encouraging. Replacement, we've got Urval Patel who's still itching to get a game. He's quality as well. I know there's been some commentary around him. We're lucky to have some quality players, aggressive players at the top. So the urgency to get a replacement is not necessarily there, but we are looking. But we just don't need to rush that at this point with Urval obviously not playing. What was the last part? Oh, MS. How could I forget MS? Look, he's progressing well. He's on the road to recovery and doing everything that's being asked of him.
How important is a statement win like that in terms of confidence?
Yeah, the statement for us was really the response after the Sunrisers. We had a great opportunity there. We bowled, I thought, beautifully to restrict, and then to not chase it down was a bit of a blow because we'd been playing some good cricket. The challenge then was to rebound and put a good performance in. So that's our statement to us, not to anyone else really. It was just a nice response to a disappointing sort of second half against Hyderabad. That will be an
சிஎஸ்கே அணியினுடைய தலைமை பயிற்சியாளர் ஸ்டீஃபன் ஃப்ளமிங் பேட்டியளித்ததை பார்த்தோம். நாளை நடைபெறக்கூடிய IPL T20 போட்டியில் தோனி விளையாடுவாரா என்ற எதிர்பார்ப்பு இருந்த நிலையில் குஜராத் அணிக்கு எதிரான போட்டியில் தோனி விளையாட மாட்டார்னு அவர் அளித்த பேட்டியின் மூலமாக புரிந்து கொள்ள முடிகிறது. மகேந்திர சிங் தோனி தீவிர பயிற்சியை தொடர்ந்து வருவதாகவும் அவர் குணமடைந்து வருவதாகவும் தன்னுடைய பேட்டியில் அவர் குறிப்பிட்டார். அந்த காட்சிகளை நாம பார்த்தோம்.
இனி செல்லும் இடமெல்லாம் செய்தி. தந்தி டிவியின் வாட்ஸ்அப் சேனலை ஃபாலோ பண்ணினா செல்லருக்கும் இடமெல்லாம் செய்தி. இதோ QR கோட் இப்பவே ஸ்கேன் பண்ணுங்க, ஃபாலோ பண்ணுங்க.